In step 4, this is where you will see the product suggested for your application based on the criteria you entered in the first 3 steps of the wizard. Notice that I have 17 product results. By default, the system will display 12 products at a time, so if I wanted to see the other 5, I just have to click on this plus where it says Load More icon, and it will show the remaining products that I wanted to look at. In step 4, you can compare and filter products as well as download reports. There is also this Buy Now feature that will be active if the product is available in your region. And if you want to get more information about a particular product, simply click on this information icon and you can get information such as the details, and you can expand and collapse any of these sections. You can see the product specs, as well as the chemical permeation breakthrough time. And if I want to get more information about the product, I have a link right here on this icon that will bring me right to Ansell.com for this product. Now to compare products, all you need to do is click on the Compare or Download checkbox next to any of the products you want to compare. You must check off, of course, at least 2 products. I'm going to compare 3, so I'm going to do the Touch and Tough DermaShield 73701, the Microflex 93360, as well as the Touch and Tough 73500. And when I do that, what you'll notice, this Compare button shows 3 in here, telling me that I have 3 products selected. Now let's look at a comparison by clicking on the Compare. And you will see now the 3 products I selected are in a side-by-side view where you can see the product specifications as well as the chemical permeation information. I can collapse and expand these different sections very easily by clicking on the arrow. And you'll notice in the chemical permeation data, I can see the data as EN or ASTM. And I can also show the legend for any of this information. When I click on Return to View Products, I'm brought back to the previous screen. From here, you can apply filters based on glove material, construction, as well as special needs. Let's say that you want to see which gloves have neoprene material. So I will click on neoprene, and now I get my results. And I also want to know, of the 7 gloves, which ones have anti-static properties. So in special needs section, I will select anti-static. So the filter is now showing 3 product results based on my filtering criteria. And if I want to remove any specific filter, I can easily do that by just clicking on the filter, the active filter right here. If I wanted to remove neoprene, or if I wanted to remove all the filters and start over, I just click on Remove Filters. Now if I want to create a report with these gloves on there, I can easily do that by selecting Download Report. But I only really want to show in the report these 2 products I'm interested in. So you would click on Compare or Download, and I'm going to click on this one, and also compare or download this product right here. And now I'm going to select Download Report. And now when I do this, I'm presented with this modal where I can customize my report. I can select the permeation standard I want to use. I could also enter organizational details. In organizational details, it is required to put in an organization name. I'm going to put in my company. And you also have an option if you desire to upload the organization's logo. And I will do that. And you'll notice it gives you the file formats that are accepted and the maximum size. I can also put in here who the report is prepared for. So I'm going to enter John Smith. And I could put in John Smith's title. I could put in the phone number, but I'm just going to put in the title that John Smith is a safety manager. And then I could enter report details. This is the name I want to give to the report. What do I want it to appear as from a report name standpoint? So I'm going to call this the Safety Recommendation Report. And I can select any of these 4 images to show on the cover page. report name you can see is required, as you can see this red asterisk. I also have a prepared by section, so I could put in who prepared the actual report. So I could put in the person's name, last name, title, organization name, email address, and phone number. But I'm not going to enter that right now. I'm just going to click download because I want to see what my report looks like. And when I download the report, it's going to generate a PDF file. And I can click on this to open it up. I can also hit yes if I want to go back to step 4 and view my products. But if I wanted to start all over and go right to step 1, I would just click on no. But right now I'm just concerned about opening my report and what it looks like. So when I open my report, you can see that the first page is going to show the image that I wanted on here because that is my cover page. You could see the organization name appears on here, followed by a disclaimer. And then you're going to get application details, and in the application details, this is where you're going to see the chemicals, the application details, and the secondary hazards you selected are displayed. And then next, you're going to see a products page. It will show the products that you selected, and they're displayed along with their specifications. And then followed by the chemical permeation data for the respected products. That is also shown. In the next page, you're going to see for the hand protection permeation the legend. So this way you understand how to read the chemical permeation data. And then lastly, you're going to get a thank you page. And you can see where I put in my prepared for. This was prepared for John Smith, the safety manager. And then this is a default image that will show. And the report also includes a link to our terms of service.